everyone, I hope you are doing awesome right there, and this is the phenomenal session which you are waiting for. I mean to say that the questions, the important question, the expected question, the sure shot questions, and yes, the question will be coming from this all, and I have done a complete homework regarding it. A complete homework, I mean to say that means from where the questions will be coming in the ICSE class 10 semester 1, which is going to be commenced from November 30th, if I'm not wrong, right? So here are the strategy, and here are the important topics, the important sessions, the important questions will be coming in the examination, direct questions also. I will be discussing many more. Let us start with, as you know very well, many chapters gonna come. Let us start with the GST, Good Service Tax, chapter number 1, the Good Service Tax. From the Good Service Tax, as you know very well, 40 marks is going to come in this mathematics. Out of 40 marks, the section is divided into 3 sections. That is section A, section B, section C. Section A में कितना 16 मार्क का पूछा जाएगा, section B 12, section C 12 again, right? Again, in GST, only you will be getting the question from section 1. That means only you will be getting from GST question, you will be getting 1 mark का question मिलेगा. Only 1 mark question you will be getting from GST. 1 marker question you will be getting GST. I mean couple of problems you may get. Couple of problems. 2 mark का तो इसमें से आएगा. 2 mark. That means from here we predict, I am assured that from GST not a single long question gonna come. That means children, you have to give a lots of importance to the short questions. You have to give a lots of importance. The questions which will be coming in the examination or from GST, that is what now 25% of 25% of CGST of entire GST, right? तो GST कितना होगा ना, 75% हुआ. अगर GST को अगर 50% of GST होता है तो IGST कितना होगा, 50%. This type of question will be coming, and this type of question is there in specimen paper, and again the question will be like GST similar to UGST, right? And GST Tommy type of question will be coming in the examination for you. Tommy type of question में तो question will be very easy, right? और क्या क्या आने वाला, ITC full form. This type of question will be coming, and the question will be coming, and in this way also that a seller is selling the goods from UP, उत्तर प्रदेश to Delhi, कौन सा टैक्स लगेगा, IGST लगेगा, CGST लगेगा और SGST लगेगा. This type of question will be coming, and over a tax something कुछ लगाकर 1-2 मार्क का, मतलब 4 मार्क का लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा. If you have not started preparation, do start in this way. That means say a complete goodbye to whom? Not to a long questions of GST. Yes, you can say a complete goodbye, because after coming from the examination hall, you will be saying thank you very much sir for the entire love and support. And yes, the authentic news you will be getting from here. It's not a fake, it's nothing. देखो जो अगर if you are new to the platform, if you are old to the platform, right, you go and search many kind of videos. Authentic news you are getting. Do keep a lots of importance to the GST, only short question. That means say a complete a very goodbye to the long questions. Coming to the banking, again from the banking, my dear most children, एक मार्क का क्वेश्चन चमकेगा और नहीं तो 2 मार्क का क्वेश्चन चमकेगा. I personally feel 3 marker question will be coming. 3 marker मतलब that means what children, one questions will be 1 mark and another question will be 2 mark. 2 मार्क का एक आएगा और 1 मार्क का एक आएगा. कौन सा आएगा? वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन विल बी कमिंग. फॉर्मूला पूछा जा सकता है. They will be asking the formulas. They will be asking the MB will be given, maturity value will be given, and sum will be given, principal will be given, and they will be asking you find the interest. Very easy, you can do it. And if not, everything they will be giving, and you have to find a complete that you have to put the formula, and you have to find the MB, maturity value, gonna take it out. That type of question will be coming. And maximum students are having many kind of queries that sir, in the banking also many kind of factorization is also there. No, that type of question will not gonna come, because अगर वैसे सब क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा तो टाइम बर्बाद होगा. There will be having lots of time, but you should remember only 90 minutes paper you're gonna give. You should do not forget the time limit. That is all about 90 minutes. You have to complete everything with the 90 minutes. But if this type of question will be coming, I don't think not only you but also I also, we cannot complete everything with the 90 minutes of paper. So they are not full. So they will be giving questions which you can people very easily you can handle it out, right? So banking, 1-2 मार्क का पूछा जाएगा. 2 मार्क का मतलब I personally feel that you just go and medium size of problem. Medium मतलब everything will be given, rate will be given, ref will be given, p will be given, n will be given, number of year will be given, only you have to put the formula. This type of questions सवाल करा करो, 2 मार्क का पूछा जा सकता है, even 1 mark का question will be coming, very easy type of problem, that is MVPI. Remember this MVPI. अगर नहीं आया तो comment करके बताना on the same that sir you are saying a complete different scenario, but this will be coming. And what I predict, whether in CBSE or ICSE, not a single yet, not even a single year it has went something opposite to me, something against of me. Coming to the chapter number 3, share and dividend, ignore. Chapter number 4, linear equation, inequation. Baba, one of the tricky chapter, I can say, tricky questions. अच्छा, यहाँ का क्वेश्चन चमकेगा किसमें से ना, 1 मार्क. एक क्वेश्चन आएगा 2 मार्क का, सॉरी 1 क्वेश्चन विल कमिंग इन विच प्लीज टेक इट आउट अ नोटबुक एंड पेन. नोटबुक एंड पेन लिख के बनाना ऐसे करो, बिकॉज सी यू डोंट हैव एनी टाइम, यू डोंट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ टाइम. ओनली टुडे इज 16th of November or 15th of November. Suppose today is 15th of November and you are having only maximum 10 days of the examination preparation. After that you are not, after that you will be reading English and all. So only 10 days are there within your hand. If you have not started revision, do it in this way. If you have completed everything, then also practice in this way. Definitely 40 out of 40 is guarantee. I repeat, 40 out of 40 is guarantee, my dear lovable students. Linear equations से 2 मार्क का कौन सा चमकेगा? My dear students, there is having many kind of questions. If you are following ML Agarwal, if you are following Conscience Selina, there is having many kinds of questions. That is P that what? This P intersection P union B, P intersection B. This type of question is there, right? Yes, it is there. This type of questions. और अगर ऐसा नहीं तो ऐसे कुछ दिया होगा, A intersection B, A union B, ऐसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, right? These are the things you gonna do it. Very important problems. 2 मार्क का चमकेगा, 2 मार्क का आ सकता है, because there are in, whether you are following ML Agarwal Conscience, there are having many kind of questions. Those are there in bits. Those are there in 4 या 5 बीट रहता है, right? क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा 2 बीट दिया होगा, क्या करोगे? 2 मार्क 2 बीट. Then so these are the question is very important. Again the question is again important, that is hollow circle, darkened circle, hollow circle, darkened circle. Hollow circle, darkened circle, my dear most children. 0, 1, 2, let us understand this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is a darkened one, hollow one. ऐसे कुछ सवाल पूछा जाएगा, and I hope you will be not doing any kind of wrong. So -7 यहाँ पर hollow बना, ऐसे कुछ बनेगा. This type of question will be coming. So this type of problem you have to give a lot so important to this type of problem. Apart from that, very easy. Apart from that, अगर इतना हो गया तो very easy. And yes, यहाँ पर P कुछ है क्या? No, nothing is there. Coming to the chapter number 5, quadratic equation. Yes, quadratic equation is one of the dark house question. Dark house question means quadratic equation 2 से 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन भी वहां से चमकेगा, 3 मार्क की 4 मार्क even कम. And and in the what I am very shocked, in case of specimen paper, many questions are not there from the quadratic equation, but no issue. But quadratic equation, many questions will be coming. What are the questions will be coming from the quadratic equation? See, many students are there, they get confused. D equals to b square minus 4ac. Another quadratic formula is there, that minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This type of question, this type of formula is there. Plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This type of problems are there, and many students get problem. They face problem, sir, which time where to put which kind of formula. My dear students, if you are doing quadratic equation, just remember one thing in your head, that if in the question they will be asking do with the help of quadratic equation, find with the help of quadratic equation formula, or do with the help of quadratic equation. अगर discriminant का जिक्र ना किया होगा तो you have to put the minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a का formula. Is it clear? If there will be having d equals to b square minus 4ac, where you gonna put it? I will be saying it. Suppose the question will come in the examination, this type of question will come. This type of question will come in the examination, that for an example 4x square minus 3x plus suppose example if 3 equals to 0, bit 1, whether it is real or equal, real and equal. Another question will be real and unequal, right? Another bit will be, another option will be unimaginary or imaginary, right? Another will be real, और a bit 5 बना देता हूँ, both bit 3 and 4, what are gonna be? So you have to find it. करना कैसे, यहाँ पर तो थोड़ी ना वो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन फॉर्मूला लगा, यहाँ पर d इक्वल्स टू b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, यू हैव टू डू इट एंड व्हाट एवर द वैल्यू you will be getting suppose and remember imaginary real are same, so this type of question will be coming in the examination. Or if not, again this type of question also be come in the examination, that is suppose what b square minus 4ac equals to negative 18, ऐसा कुछ ऑप्शन दिया होगा, इसमें तो करेक्ट लगाना है। करेक्ट क्या लगाना है, रियल मतलब इमेजिनरी। दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विल बी कमिंग इन द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, डू नॉट इग्नोर दिस। अनदर क्वेश्चंस व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, व्हिच विल प्ले वाइटल रोल, दैट इज सिग्निफिकेंट एंड डेसिमल फिगर। सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर, द टू सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर, द टू डेसिमल फिगर, दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन। माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, अगेन इट्स एन वार्म रिक्वेस्ट टू यू ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड दैट if my dear children, if you are following ML Agarwal or Conscience, if they are having any kind of questions regarding significant figures or decimal figure, do not ignore a single one. I repeat, do not ignore a single one, because textbook is a Bible. I always say, it's my quote, I always say textbook is a Bible, Gita, Quran, whatever you think you can, but this type of question will be coming in the examination hall. My dear children, do not ignore such kind of points. It's a request to you that significant figure, decimal figure का question बनेगा, वो वाला क्वेश्चन बनेगा इन द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल। एंड डेफिनेटली, एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, इफ यू वांट टू सिक्योर a lots of good marks, again you have to do a lots of year question. If you are following any kind of book, ML Agarwal or Conscience, many year questions are there, you can just go and find it. Coming to the chapter number 6, solving quadratic equation. Solving quadratic equation से always start the doing solving quadratic equation from the back of the chapter, मतलब पीछे से शुरू करो ये वाला चैप्टर। Always try to do from the back. Chapter number 6, backward. Chapter 6, back questions. Always try to do chapter number 6 back questions. Very important question. It is very important. Very important chapter, because यहाँ से 4 मार्क का क्वेश्चन चमकेगा। चैप्टर नंबर 6 से 4 मार्क का क्वेश्चन चमकेगा। 4 मार्क मतलब सेक्शन सी में, सेक्शन सी। एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ऑल अबाउट इन सेक्शन सी दैट माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, अगर एक गलती हो तो 4 गलती होगा। whether from AP, whether from whatever you do, whether in case of quadratic equation, if one is wrong, if first bit is wrong, the entire 4 is wrong. That means you people you will do a complete wrong of all the things. And the most important, you don't have time, you might not be having sufficient time at the end. 90 मिनट का जो सवाल होने वाला, 90 मिनट तुम्हें नहीं मिलेगा। दैट मीन्स कंप्लीटली you might have spent many more time, many important time in the first half only, right? सेक्शन है, सेक्शन में खत्म हो गया होगा। लास्ट में you will not be having sufficient time at the same time, and definitely if you people will do wrong this type of problem, again to come back and to do correct will play a vital role. I cannot say it's impossible, it will be a difficult for you. My dear children, to everyone it's a request, examples of solving quadratic equation of examples, whether you are following APC or Conscience, doesn't matter. Matter is all about examples, matter is all about excess questions. Excess questions कौन सा वाला पढ़ना है, speed, distance, time. In which question you will be finding speed, in which question you will be finding distance and time. That particular question you have to give a lots of time to those particular questions. Why children? Because it has been a trending from 2010. ऐसा कुछ सवाल आया नहीं है तो वहां से क्वेश्चन नहीं चमकेगा, वहां से क्वेश्चन चमकेगा in your semester 1 examination, my dear children. That means speed, distance, time अगर दिया है, and if do not watch the lecture in this way, you have to note it down. You have to note it down in a notebook, in your rough copy, in your assignment copy, wherever you are. You just go ahead. Speed, distance, time will play a vital role for you all. Speed, distance, time से क्वेश्चन चमकेगा, and the most important, SPCP से भी क्वेश्चन चमक सकता है। I'm not sure about this, but I am sure about speed, distance and time. That means speed, distance, time से क्वेश्चन कहाँ मिलेगा? You will be getting all the speed, distance of time from the back of the chapter. Sorry, from the back of the exercise. That means 6D, if I'm not wrong, 6D तक होता है। 6D से शुरू करो, D, C, then after B. In this way, you have to prepare for the quadratic equation and say warm goodbye to all the छोटा questions of the quadratic equation. Solving quadratic equation. चैप्टर 6 सॉल्विंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन से छोटा चैप्टर मत करना, छोटा क्वेश्चंस, डू अ लॉन्ग नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज बिट बनेगा, उसका जो बिट बनता है वो 4 मार्क का चिपकेगा, राइट? अच्छा, कमिंग टू द चैप्टर नंबर 7, रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन. रेशियो इज कंप्लीटली रिड्यूस, प्रोपोर्शन this type of question will be coming as soon I am confirm, I am sure. What type of question beta? This type of, suppose mean proportion is given 4 and extreme, find extreme, find each value of extreme, that means x into x square, under root of 4 equals to x square, 2 ban gaya x. So this type of question will be coming. I know you can do it, every people can do it. This type of question again question banega in case of proportion, that is all about component dividendo. कंपोनेंट डिविडेंडो माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, कंपोनेंट डिविडेंडो से क्वेश्चन चमकेगा, क्वेश्चन बहुत चमकेगा कंपोनेंट डिविडेंडो से, एंड इंपॉर्टेंट द क्वेश्चन विल बी कमिंग, दैट इज ऑल अबाउट चिल्ड्रन, क्वेश्चन विल बी कमिंग दैट इज ऑल अबाउट न्यूमरेटर प्लस डिनोमिनेटर. ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, दैट मींस समथिंग विल बी गिवन, what suppose an expression will be given, a complete scenario, a complete question will be given in which you have to find it out which one is a component, which one is a dividendo, or you have to find it out both component or dividendo. You know very well formula, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. This is the formula of component and dividendo. Numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. If you don't know, do comment right there and I will be coming with the lecture of which one is numerator denominator componendo dividendo का सवाल पूछा जाएगा, alternando invertendo का सवाल नहीं पूछा जाएगा, because that is not a trending question. The trending question every year, trending question is componendo dividendo, if not x, find x. तो क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर इन दिस वे, फाइंड x. 2 मार्क का क्वेश्चन चिपकेगा, 2 मार्क का क्वेश्चन चिपकेगा, 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन चिपकेगा. मीन वैल्यू यू हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट, प्रोपोर्शन एक्सट्रीम वैल्यू विल बी देयर, दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विल बी कमिंग. और एल्स फ्रैक्शन में होगा मीन, दैट मींस 4x proportionate to 6.5x. In this type of question will be there which you can do. That is the 1 marker and this is the 2 marker. My dear children, please do not ignore remainder factor theorem, chapter number 8, remainder factor theorem ka the question will be coming. Maximum question just you go and do it, which one is having a k, जिसमें k होगा, p होगा, अल्फाबेटिकली क्वेश्चन होगा, उसमें से करना है, बिकॉज बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन चमकेगा उसमें से. लिविंग द रिमाइंडर x minus 1, x minus 2, whatever the question will be there, you have to do those all questions. लिविंग द रिमाइंडर x minus 2, very very easy. x minus 2, x equals to 2, 2 का वैल्यू f of x equals to 2, 2 का वैल्यू निकला, उसके बाद एक्सप्रेशन दिया होगा, फैक्टरेशन इक्वेशन दिया होगा, you have to put the 2 on the complete equation, you have to take it out the answer. This type of answer will come in the remainder factor theorem. And the most important again, k होगा, in which the question will be given, k, p, many more will be given, and you have to do a lot, and you have to do say a very goodbye to the long division method, because long division method चमकेगा नहीं. Long division method will not be coming in the examination and they will be not asking in the examination because they don't have time. Only you are having 90 minutes paper in your hand, right? So our remainder factor theorem is over. Coming to the matrices. In the case of matrices, my dear most lovable children, if you are following ML Agarwal, last exercise will play a vital role for you all. If you are following conscience, 9D, my dear lovable children, 9D, conscience का 9D होता है माँ बाप. 9D in the 9D many year questions are there. उसमें से क्वेश्चन हर साल, every year क्वेश्चन वहां से चमकता है. Every year the question generally comes from the 9D, and the most important sin theta, the question will be coming from the t ratios, trigonometry t ratio, that means don't have space. Yeah, suppose trigonometry, suppose what gonna be in this way, sin 30 degree will be given, cos 30 degree will be given, sin 45 degree will be given, right, tan 45 degree will be given, matrix of 1 2 3 4. In this way they will be given, multiplication, addition, ऐसे कुछ आएगा. तो t ratio is very important. अगर t ratio तुम्हें पता नहीं होगा तो what you gonna do at the same time in the examination? Or to t ratio, trigonometry ratio is very important. You have to ratio table, you have to learn it by heart. And distributive law, associative law, associative law, commutative law, very important, which will play a vital role. Yes, the naming diagonal matrix is known as dash matrix, row matrix is known as row vector or column vector, column matrix is known as column vector, row vector, identity matrix, additive, inverse, transposing. These are the questions. Tommy things will be coming. And please, if you are following, again I send request, APC कर रहे हो तो APC ML अगलवार last exercise, conscience Selena 9D exam 40 so 40 is guarantee. I guarantee people, if you will do this much 40 out of 40, not single Michael L cannot, what I can say, take it out. A single mark they can deduct it. Coming next to the epi. In epi, everything you have to do, including what, not the word problems, which is a reduced syllabus in case of word problems. Again, you have to put the same strategy to this what children ना हाँ मैट्रिसेस से 4 मार्क का नहीं आने वाला, रिमाइंडर फैक्टर में 4 मार्क का नहीं आने वाला. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, सॉल्विंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन चैप्टर नंबर 6. From the how you will be doing chapter number 6 in the same way you have to do chapter number 10, that is all about AP arithmetic progression, because in case of arithmetic progression 4 mark का question पूछा वाला. That means you have to do 4 bits. You have 4 bit will be given in which say a very goodbye to all the what problems which has been reduced syllabus another. And my dear children, you have to do such type of problems in which suppose 2 4 6 8 it is given, right, dot 99. Suppose लास्ट टर्म यू हैव टू डू दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. एल दिया होगा, लास्ट टर्म दिया होगा, राइट, लास्ट टर्म वाला क्वेश्चन चमकेगा. एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव टू डू सच टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स इन विच इन द क्वेश्चन देयर माइट बी गिवन Sn. फाइंड Sn इज नो वेरिएबल फॉर्मूला. Sn इक्वल्स टू n अपॉन 2 होल 2a प्लस n माइनस 1d. दिस टाइप ऑफ ये भी दिया होगा उनमें से a प्लस n माइनस 1d. दिस फॉर्मूला इज ऑल्सो गिवन. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू पुट डबल फॉर्मूलास. This type of question will play a vital role. डबल फॉर्मूला A D भी दिया हुआ, you have to do it. एंड लास्ट टर्म में भी करना है. ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स है, 3 या 4 प्रॉब्लम्स है. एपी में भी है, ML अग्रवाल में भी है, होता है ऐसे करके. एंड एपी ऑल्सो इज देयर एंड दे आर द ट्रेंडिंग क्वेश्चंस, यू नो. They are the trending question. That type of questions generally comes in the examination. My dear children, please do not ignore this type of problem. It's a request from my side. That means you just imagine how important it is for you. How important it is for you. And it's my first year in the YouTube, and you are the first batch from my side. And if you will be doing very good, it will be immense pleasure from my side. And definitely I will be proud enough to myself that I can serve something which I don't think anyone can. All right, so it's not you know some time of fake and all. It is a reality, and you have to accept that, because the way I am talking, you cannot get such type of content anywhere. No, you cannot get such type of content anywhere. Let me stick to the topic. Sn equals to n minus 2a 2a plus n minus 1 d करना है, and also a plus n minus 1 d, in which you have to do such type of problems in which you will be getting two formulas. Sn में रहेगा, a का भी रहेगा, and which 2 4 6 8 will be given, a will be given, d will be given. You have to find the common difference. You have to find the a, and which l will be given. And this type of problem is there in the last, from the last exercise. Last exercise से शुरू करोगे ML अग्रवाल, और कॉन्साइंस बनेगा ही बनेगा. 4 मार्क का पॉकेट के अंदर ऐसे ही 4 मार्क का क्वेश्चन बनेगा. वेयर? सेक्शन सी. कमिंग टू द सिमिलरिटी, द सेम सिनेरियो ऑफ द सिमिलरिटी अगेन सेक्शन सी. सिमिलरिटी ज्यादा कुछ नहीं, 5 मार्क का क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. 5 मार्क का वेरी इजी. 1 क्वेश्चन विल बी गेटिंग फ्रॉम 1 मार्कर इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, और यू कैनॉट गेट इवन, यू विल बी गेटिंग 4 मार्कर्स. 4 मार्क का तो सवाल बनेगा ही बनेगा, पक्का बनेगा. 4 मार्क का कैसे? एंड से अ वेरी गुड बाय टू प्रूफ. यू नो प्रूफ इज नॉट गोना कम इफ यू आर डूइंग मेनी काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. इफ यू आर डूइंग कॉन्सेंस 15 है, 15 भी ओनली यू गोना डू इट, बिकॉज मॉडल्स मैप्स नहीं आने वाला. बीपीटी थ्योरम बना के करना है, राइट. एंड एपी इन एमएल अग्रवाल द सेम. व्हाट यू गोना डू इन दिस वे? you have to say a complete goodbye to the proof and all, you know better. And which you need to do, that is find. अगर तो क्वेश्चन इसको करना है जिसमें से फाइंड लिखा होगा, निकालो फाइंड. You have to do a lot of practice to those type of question in which find will be given, because I am pretty sure 40 मार्क से 25-30 मार्क, 30 plus 35 plus also it can become, which will be coming from your textbook. I am pretty sure. Note my words, write it down in your copy. Write it down. 35 I am writing here, you can take it a screenshot. 35 plus 30 से 35 plus मार्क का क्वेश्चन चमकेगा टेक्स्ट बुक से. ML अग्रवाल कॉन्सेप्ट्स, combinations. I don't want to say much. So these are the find. Let me talk about similarity. Find जिसमें होगा उसमें करना है बच्चों. And find the length of BD. Find the length of AB. Find the length BD, AB, SC in which the question will be given. These are the things. Similarity, you have to do it. And again I am talking about, do complete all the examples, do complete all the exercise questions, not a single. All examples, all exercise questions, not a single. All exercise questions, not a single thing can reduce your mark. Not a single one, not a single Michael I can say can reduce your mark. So these are the things I want to say, my dear most people, and this is the special video. If you really like the sessions, please do share with your friends, because I want each and everyone should gain the benefit of here, because I have done a complete research, I have done a complete homework, and I have taken lots of time. I did not take a lots of time because I am teaching everywhere, so whatever, but something I have taken time. So please do a favor to me, that please share this all with among your friends, among your teachers. Let your teachers also know. So these are the things, and your teachers know everything, but I wanted that they should also know regarding it. And please, my beautiful childrens, complete this all, and 40 out of 40 is guarantee. From today onwards, if you will complete this all, mathematics will get scared of you, I promise. Thank you very much. Have a great year and event, and all the best for the upcoming examinations. I will try to come again in the same content in physics, chemistry, and many more. Thank you.